Hi, I'm John Pagano with Floorplan Class C Motorhomes, and welcome to this quick tour of the 2023 Sunseeker LE 2350. This floor plan boasts a fiberglass front cap, Asdel substrates, and a tremendous amount of rear storage space. Just look at this pass-through storage here. Great exterior storage. Let's take a look at some of the benefits on the inside of the coach. So this is a non-slide floor plan that sleeps 6 and has seat belts for 6. I love this floor plan because what you see is what you get. You're never going to have a slide going in and out, so it's always going to look just like this. And that's important to me when shopping for a motorhome. Some of the great benefits to this is you are Wi-Fi prepped in this Sunseeker 2350. You have a queen bunk mattress, 60 by 80 inches, a great space for the kids to sleep with a 40-inch television. You have a full queen mattress in the bedroom, which is also 60 by 80 inches, so 2 full queen size mattresses, so your fitted sheets that you have at home will fit these 2 sleeping spaces, and then a great double bed right here where this dinette is. A couple of features as we're walking throughout that I like to point out whenever I'm giving a tour of any motorhome is the 10 cubic foot 12 volt refrigerator. You have a 1.3 cubic convection microwave oven, which gives you much more storage space up above. And I like the split bath design here, meaning you have a sink on the outside of the shower and toilet. So you can have somebody utilizing the sink, maybe getting ready or washing up while somebody's inside taking a shower. So a really well thought out floor plan for such a small amount of space. Thanks for taking this tour and this quick tour of this 2023 Sunseeker 2350. I'm John Pagano, and thanks for joining us.